Welcome to Forex Rebels. Now I'll be analyzing GBPUSD. So I'm just gonna go into full details on this pair, so you get each and everything that I'm seeing here. So I'm just gonna be a bit fast, but not that fast to see everything. So as you can see, this is not like normal videos where I start by having the levels. I'm gonna do the levels with you here. All I want is you to pay attention to how we analyze. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the obvious levels that I'm seeing. We can see that we have let's start at the lower side. We have this level here. Look at the dotted line. Yeah, this level here, which has been respected. And here, can you say it's a level? We do have a level as well here. Also, where you can see that a lot of like levels occurring here, so we can just mark it out as well here. But I just want it to be neat, so I'm gonna just mark it somewhere here. Have this level here, and we have another level over here, and this is a level because there's a lot of things depending. Bear in mind we're still on their daily time frame. So then what do we have? We could have something here, but we are not sure because it's not visible. Like I've said, we are looking for only levels that are visible. So as we can see, if we were to draw a conclusion by only using this, I would say the market has been pushing to the upper side, and now it seems like it's declining or retesting before pushing the upper side, or declining to push to lower side. So we'll just go to the 4-hour time frame. So you have a lot of lines on the chart and they're not neat, so some of you cannot differentiate which one is important and which one is not. So I'm just gonna remove this one here because I want to keep my chart as clean as possible. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. So we gotta do a trial and error for trend lines. So if I were to start a trend line here, I'm gonna have this, can touch this area here, and this is what I have. So you can see that the trend line was respected up until here, and then it broke off, so it is no longer valid. So I'm just gonna remove it, and I'm gonna start the other one here. Also as well, this one not valid, I'm just gonna delete it as well. So I'm trying by all means to show you how to analyze, which is simple. Lowest level here again. So I'm still checking if which trend line is credible. So I'm taking it like I'm giving you the baby steps on how to do it, because maybe one of my videos when I do it, you just be like, oh, I don't understand. But you see that from the highest high here, this one here, lowest low here, here, they are not credible. The trend lines are not working out for me. And here we have a level here. So most of the times, if I have a level, I know that the trend line must start somewhere there, because that area is respected. So if I start from here, you can see first touch. If we were to use the body, you can have 3 touches here. So this is what we have. We have a beautiful trend line on the lower side. What am I saying? We're pushing to the lower side. We touch this area here, we went up, and the market is up until here. But if we look closely, this area here, something is occurring here. So I'm just gonna mark it out. And oops, I just removed the line. Okay, it's back on. Some of you can say, oh, the market is moving inside a triangle. So, but you can see this is a triangle, but the market is like break out here. I came back here. So if I thought that does tell us that we're supposed to buy. So, but the only reason you're going to buy and is either if we are below this level, Okay, if we are below this level, we are going to buy, and if we are above this level, we're going to buy, and if we are below this level, we're going to sell. Actually, for the sellers, we can say we're going to sell only right here, and by the huge rejection occurring at this stage here, I could say the buy movement has a lot of power. So, and over here, there's a level again, which the market touched, also indicating that we are on the buyer side. So I know that sorry, I know there are a lot of lines, but I hope you understand. So I'm trying to be as slow as possible, and then this is what we have. Okay, for the upper side, we did cater for it. We had our first touch, second touch, and our third touch is a little bit complicated. So here I'm gonna remove this level here because I'm not using it now, and this one as well because we are not using them. Like I've said, I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible. So I'm just gonna use this on now, so I can see what's really going on, so that I know when to take trades and when to exit on this path. Like I've said, I'm going into details step by step. So this is how you do it. You can just keep the video here if you think you got it, and make sure that your squares are not big on the volatile frame, because if they're big, you're gonna have a problem when you try to get entry levels, because you'll find that all the candles are inside this area here. So try to make them a little bit thinner so they can look more presentable for your eyes. Okay, so this is what we have. Very beautiful setup. Very touch on the triangle, and this area has been disputed as well. Market always rejects, hence we can say that we are still buying. So like by looks of things, the possibility of pushing to lower side are a lot. This could be a retest of the strong line, or this could just be a still push to the upper side. All you have to do is wait up until here, or the breakout here, from here, breakout up until here. So this is how you should analyze. If we were to do one more time frame to confirm what's really going on, I don't think we have a lot that is going on in the 1 hour as well, but I'll just check in first. Okay, so like there's nothing going on, but the rejection tells us that something is occurring there. So, and again, this level here, you can see that as soon as you go through lower time frames, you're gonna identify some new levels on the market. So yeah, so for this one you have to wait a little bit and do like I've instructed you guys to do. Don't put on your things that without, yeah. So this is what we have, and all from us FX Rebels signing off.